In today's tutorial, you will learn how to transform a simple 2D design into an amazing 3D object in Adobe Illustrator. First, select your 2D design. Go to the toolbar and choose the line segment tool. Draw a straight line through the middle of the vector shape like this. Select both the shape and the line. Go to Window, Pathfinder. Then click on Divide. And delete one side of the design. Next, go to Effect, 3D and Materials, Revolve. Now change the offset direction to right edge for best result. You can also rotate the design 360 degree to preview the full 3D effect from every angle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and creative tutorials.